Andrew.
Hey.
Hi. Elmo's going around Sesame Street checking in on everybody. So Elmo wants to know how Andrew's doing.
Oh, I'm so happy to see you, Elmo. You have no idea.
Elmo's happy to see you, too.
But I'm doing okay, you know.
Yeah? Well, what's going on?
Oh, I don't know. You sure you want to listen?
Oh, Elmo would love to listen.
Oh. I'm just thinking about my mom today. You know, she passed away not too long ago. And, you know, I just miss her a lot.
Oh, Elmo's really sorry to hear that, Mr. Andrew.
Oh, no, it's okay. You don't have to say sorry. It's actually kind of okay to miss somebody.
It is?
Oh, yeah.
You know, Elmo always feels really sad when he misses somebody.
Oh, yeah, me too. Me too. But, you know, that sadness, it's kind of a gift. It's kind of a lovely thing to feel, in a way, because it means you really loved somebody when you miss them. And when I miss someone, I remember, when I miss my mom, I remember all of the cuddles I used to get from her, all of the hugs I used to get from her. Yeah, just like that. And it makes me feel close to her when I miss her in a strange way. So I'm happy to have all the memories of my mom and the joy she brought me and the joy she brought my brother and my dad and everyone she ever met, everyone around her. So when I miss her, I remember it's because she made me so happy. So I can celebrate her and I can miss her at the same time.
Wow.
Yeah.
Elmo really loves that, Andrew.
Elmo really listens really well.
Well,
Elmo.
Elmo wants to know how people are doing, and Elmo's very happy that you shared that with him. And you know what?
you.
Elmo's going to think about and celebrate your mommy, too.
Oh, Elmo. You know what? Nothing would make me happier and nothing would make her happy. Because you know what? I got to tell you something. I got to tell you a secret.
What?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Elmo is my mummy's favorite.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, Elmo needs a hug for that.
Come here.
Oh, Elmo loves you, Andrew.
I love you so much, Elmo, and I always have. I always will.
Yeah. And you know what? We're going to celebrate all the important and special people that you miss, too.
That's right. Each and every day, all together.